Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide button on desktop layout but display on mobile layout in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. So this is our button. So we are going to hide this button on desktop layout and display on mobile layout only. Now select button. Now you see on top you see diff mode, so click on it, and then you see turn on diff mode, so click on it. Now diff mode enable and select button again. So we selected button and then you see collapsed. Now select. So this button hide on both desktop and mobile layout. So we are going to enable this button on mobile layout. Now close diff mode, click on it, turn off diff mode, and then you see button visibility hide. On top you see switch to mobile, so click on it. So we are in mobile layout. Also on mobile layout you see button visibility hidden. On top you see diff mode, so again click on it, and then you see turn off diff mode, so again click on it. Now click on it and then you see button. Now select button again. Button is selected and then you see default value collapse. Now uncheck. So now button visible on mobile layout but hide on desktop layout. Now diff mode, click on it, turn off, and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page. Now you see button, so refresh the contact page and then scroll down. You see button not visible on desktop layout. Now go to mobile layout, right click on it, mobile simulator, activate mobile view. So we are in mobile layout and then scroll down. Now you see button visible on mobile layout but hide on desktop layout in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.